video in it. Right in that center one. Oh man, we got a storm rolling in. Beautiful sunset. It's gonna like shroud it. Look at that. Fuck yes. Look at those colors.
No, we're gonna get the lightning.
Yeah, it's coming, it's coming. We already had 3 minutes?
I think so. It wasn't even 3 minutes.
Look at them cloud skis. Wow, man. Oh, it was there.
I think my camera got it.
Did it? I think, yeah, if you were there, it did. Because it was like right over that house.
No, I was like here.
So like 7 seconds. Look at the colors. Oh dear, yes. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at those swoopies on the end. Yeah, it's like plain. Beautiful blue sky. And here comes the sunset. Like cheering, look at it. Oh. Trying to get it to zoom a little better so you can see that the sun is like a fucking like orange chip of light. It's like crazy. Blowing in.
I got another one just now. I want to see if I got that first one.
Look at that sky. It's a beautiful shot, baby.
Because it came over here.
It was like over top of that. Oh.
Yeah, it's when I moved it, watch. Because that's when I almost dropped my phone. Because I move it this way, and then like it comes like, oh.
Right there, you got it. You got it.
And then I just got another one too right before I end the video.
Yes. Look at that. 2 minutes, 38 seconds. I'll go 3.5 minutes maybe, because that'll be some more needs to be done. Oh, I missed one. Dang it.
I gotta just.
Yeah. I like keep panning over to the sunset.
They're all right there. It's crazy how much it moved from when we got out here.
Yeah. Look at that blue thing. It's gonna last long. The airplane. I'm gonna keep an eye on that. Maybe it'll get hit by lightning. No, it's not very nice, but. Fucking mean. Just trying to get out of this storm, Frank. Good co-pilot. Lightning and the thunder. Very far away, skis. Look at that blue opening up. That's how it works though over Lancaster. Like it's supposed to rain and it just opens up over us. Yeah, looky. I can wrap it up in a day. I did a 7-minute sunrise video. I'll do a 7-minute sunset video. Oh, yeah, I got it. You got it too. You got it.
No, I was over there.
I think I got it. 444.
Sons of bitches.
You look at the clouds moving up there. They're like swirling, twirling.
Yeah, but I can't believe I moved my phone.
Wow. Look at that. Look at that sun, baby. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at it. They're going bye-bye. It's the best way I can. Oh, it was
My
behind
phone was
us.
over there, but I was looking that way.
Creeping away.
Like 2:30.
Wish I could zoom in more, but that's not a bad shot.
Remember 2:30?
Alright. Keep riding at sunset. Just trying to get some shots. Oh my dear God, that's fucking so gorgeous. Amazing. Only have a minute left. Well, not really, but. There goes the sun. Doo-doo-doo-doo. There goes the sun. Look at that sky. Wow. Weezowie. There it goes, baby. Look.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, son.
Goodbye, son.
20 seconds left.
It's like we're coming down to
Okay.
the leaves.
There goes the top. Let's see where you. Oh, you're right on it. You're a few. Gosh. There it is. Tippy top. Tippy top sliver. It's hanging on for like a brief. Oh yeah. It's just over the house. It's not a setting, but it's setting for us. There it goes. It's gone. Check it out. We're here again. This opening above us. It's swollen. Some of the clouds are going north, which is the direction we're looking, and some of them are going south, which is against us. See them? Those right there are going that way. Those right there are going that way. Holy shiznit. That's so cool. It's like a hole.
Yeah.
Lightning. And the thunder. Oh, sorry.
I almost fell.
It's where the light. Oh my God. Yeah, okay. Beautiful Maximus. That street, man. Pink. Okay. Oh, wow. There's more. Are there any horses in the field? Nope. I'm probably all inside like, fuck that. I heard that lightning. Or saw that lightning. Heard that thunder. It's kind of cool. It's like a swirly hole. It's just kind of moving over top of us.
Yeah, and it got smaller and then it got bigger.
So like, look at those two cloud formations. They're moving together in the middle.
It's crazy.
Beautiful weather. Incredibly beautiful. Yeah. One more lightning strike. One more lightning strike. Look at that sky, y'all. Check it. And the sun, like, color at the horizon is just fire. It's fire. Literal fire. .5. Look at this color scheme, right? We got the yellow there. And then beautiful, beautiful horizon. I'll bring it back out. Come around. Oh, I just missed this bolt. Came out like right by the chimney there. The chimney. Gorgeous. There's that hole up there. Still a hole. Right at the front of the storm. On the northwest side. Heavier. I mean lighter actually. And this northeast side is heavier. Have more of your bigger rain bands. And then this is going to be your gust front, which came through about an hour ago. It's kind of moving slow. Oh, there was one right over here. What a gorgeous, gorgeous conjunction. Here comes my buddy. Dog's out here watching. There he is, right here. Hello. Hi, he's gonna take a run to the right. Look at him. All right. Oh, I just missed a lightning bolt again. Hey, Pop. Okay. Hey, Poppy. You're so cute. You're so cute. Prickly thing on my toe. Wow. Hey, Pop. It's opening up above us. I love that dog. Sounds so happy. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful cloud movement. It is. See how that side's moving north? Come around to this side. It's moving south. Going this way. Airplane way up there. In the cold air. Cold up there, boy. See the movement there. Beautiful sky at night. Another cool picture of the field over here. That. This rain front, it's not coming over us, but somebody's getting some. Birdie. Gorgeous sunset again here in Lancaster, Texas. Beautiful clouds. There's the end of the storm back there. Look at that. It's basically, this is all just a quick low. Bet you look at the radar above the Lancaster right now. It's like a little mini hurricane spinning over to the top of it. No rain though. Only associated with the eastern flank of it. It's moving kind of south, southeast. Pretty The wind picked right up. Oh, I missed. Huh? Yeah, this is the storm moving in. It's kind of cool, that bank. A circle of clouds above us. Oh.
You don't feel it?
Huh?
You get what?
It's not raining, is it? I don't feel it yet.
Oh, wow. I don't care.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Beautiful. It's like the anatomy of a thunderstorm. You can see it. It's perfect. All in that gust front ahead of it. The rain field. It's kind of where all the energy's coming from. Going up into it. And there we go. Here comes that rain. Ow.
Is it hailing? No.
Oh, look at that cool cloud structure. Fun. Oh yeah, that one smashed me in the face. Nice big fat raindrop.
That's why I thought it was
Yeah.
hail, because it hit me.
Big old raindrop. Gorgeous. Okay. Big raindrops. Raindrops keep falling on my head.